Welcome to the best picks. The best Heavylift Drones is probably one of the most versatile and innovative technologies available today, capable of carrying significant weight and transforming various industries, from construction and agriculture to search and rescue operations and delivery services. This video will explore the top Heavylift drones on the market, examining their capabilities, features, and suitability for different tasks, helping you choose the perfect drone for your specific needs. Number 5. Holy Stone HS-175D. Get ready to experience the thrill of flight with our latest drone. It's packed with features to make your aerial adventures unforgettable. Capture breathtaking moments in stunning 4K resolution. Its wide-angle lens and adjustable camera ensure you get the perfect shot every time. Never worry about losing it again. It automatically returns home if it loses signal, runs low on power, or goes out of range. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge. 2 batteries are included, doubling your fun. It's designed for everyone. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing make it simple to use, even for beginners. Follow me, circle fly, and waypoint fly modes let you capture unique perspectives. It even takes photos and videos on command. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it perfect for travel. A convenient carrying case is included. What we like. It boasts an amazing 4K camera and a long flight time of up to 46 minutes. The GPS ensures it always finds its way back home. If you need high-quality footage and extended flight time, this is the drone for you. What people say. The ease of flying, the picture quality and the stability of the drone are really impressive. The package also includes 2 batteries, spare blades with screwdriver, as well as 3 charging cables, 2 for the batteries, so you can charge them at the same time, and 1 for the remote. The Wi-Fi connection was very stable. My only problem at the beginning was that my phone tried to switch back to my home Wi-Fi, but after a few tries it stayed connected. Ready to fly, I unlocked the rotors and pushed the launch button and it immediately lifted up and hovered very stable a few feet away from me. I was amazed how stable the hover was. Even though there were winds up to 6 miles per hour that day, it stayed within 2 feet of the start position. Amazing. Number 4. Holy Stone HS-440. It features a 1080p HD camera that's adjustable up to 90 degrees. Capture breathtaking aerial scenery with its wide-angle lens, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes. Explore more of your surroundings with its powerful, modular battery. It's foldable and portable, making it easy to take with you anywhere. Plus, it comes with a convenient carrying case for easy transport. It's designed for ease of use with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering. Create stunning content effortlessly with one-key high-speed rotation. It's perfect for beginners, with intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Start your aerial adventures today. What we like. This model is compact, foldable for easy portability, and incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for beginners and offers a great balance of features and simplicity. If you are looking for an easy-to-use drone that's also portable, this is a great option. What people say. 2 batteries means long flight times for practice. Durable construction, crashed it several times with no loss of props or anything but scratches. Easy to control, easy to learn and easy to fly. Number 3. Holy Stone HS-720G. Its built-in remote ID ensures safety and compliance, so you can enjoy worry-free flights. This drone has completed all FAA requirements, no extra module needed. Capture stunning, vivid footage with its 4K EIS camera and 2-axis gimbal. Get breathtaking bird's-eye views without missing a detail. Powerful brushless motors and a long battery life, up to 26 minutes, provide stable flight. It has a range of up to 999 meters. It features headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning, making it easy for beginners. Flying has never been simpler. The GPS module and optical flow positioning enhance safety, reliability, and anti-interference capabilities. Fly farther and more stably. With Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes, it offers intelligent flight options. It will free up your hands to enjoy the experience. Emergency Stop, Smart Return to Home, and One Key return functions help prevent loss. Bring it home safely and easily. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport. Weighing less than 380 grams, it's the ideal travel companion. What we like. This drone is FAA compliant, making it a safe and legal choice. The 2-axis gimbal ensures smooth, stable footage. If you prioritize safety and high-quality video, this drone is a great choice. What people say. Drone is very stable in the air, so landing and takeoff is simple. Drone handles well in the air and altitude hold is accurate. Video quality is fantastic using screen capture with iPhone. Flight time in low wind condition is around 25 minutes per battery. Follow Me and Point of Interest works well and is a welcome feature at this price range. Functionally, this drone is very easy to operate. Video quality is good. At the first glance you can tell this is a good quality product. Comes in a very nice case and easy for the beginner to learn. The auto return home function was extremely nice, especially under these conditions. Both models follow identical flight configurations, so flight control from one model to another is seamless. Very detailed instructions and super responsive drones. This drone is fast and super responsive, stable in moderate winds and survived my over-enthusiasm to fly. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720R. It's equipped with a high-quality camera and advanced features, making it simple to capture stunning photos and videos. With its extended range and long-lasting battery, you can explore more and capture longer videos without interruption. It provides reliable positioning, ensuring smooth and stable flights, and it even returns home automatically when needed. It's designed for ease of use, with beginner-friendly modes and intelligent features that make flying a breeze. It offers a range of intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, allowing you to capture unique and dynamic perspectives. We are constantly updating its features and providing reliable customer support to ensure you have the best possible flying experience. What we like. With its impressive 10,000-foot range and a 3-axis gimbal for incredibly smooth video, it's perfect for capturing epic shots. The 4K EIS camera ensures professional-looking footage. If you are looking for a drone with an extended range and professional quality video, this is the one for you. What people say. The included camera does a great job with trivial amounts of video artifacts or lens distortion. Follow Me mode is really what this drone is about. In Follow Me mode you get a more level and even flight than a human pilot would be able to replicate. The drone was very responsive, and I had a really good time flying it. I do miss the old days, though, when you could fly higher than 400 feet. Oh well. The remote has really good signal strength, and I flew the drone for about 40 minutes, much longer than my old drone that could only do 15 minutes on one charge. Number 1. Ruko F11GM2 drone. It captures stunning 4K videos and photos. The 2-axis gimbal and EIS technology ensure incredibly stable and clear shots, even when you're on the move. Enjoy an impressive 64 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. That's plenty of time to capture all the amazing footage you want. It connects quickly to your phone via USB and boasts a range of up to 3 kilometers. You maintain a clear view even at a distance. The improved USB connection on the remote provides enhanced image transmission stability and security for a worry-free flight. It's built to withstand even level 6 winds, ensuring stable footage no matter the conditions. The powerful yet quiet brushless motors make this possible. With intelligent GPS features like auto return, Follow Me, and Waypoint Flight, it makes flying easy and fun. The app provides simple instructions to get you started. This drone meets all FAA remote ID requirements. The ID is located on the bottom of the drone. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This drone offers an unbeatable 64 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Its 4K camera with gimbal delivers stunning footage, even in windy conditions. If you value extended flight time and high-quality video, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The drone gets you started in beginner mode where you can learn some features while limiting how far and high your drone can fly to protect both yourself and your investment. This is a nice feature and every novice drone operator should take full advantage. The 4K video and pictures are evident with every snap and video taken, the images are crystal clear. The Ruko F11 GIM2 drone is a remarkable SUAS. It is intuitive to use, it is sturdy, and flies great even in 25 miles per hour winds. Even in heavy winds on my maiden flight, battery life was 30 minutes, easy. The controller and software to fly it are easy to use, yet powerful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.